Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about the string. In Go, string is an immutable sequence of bytes, or you can say string is equal to immutable byte array. In Go, we write string in double quotes. In Go, string internal implementation is different from other programming languages, but we can use it in similar way as in other programming languages. For performing common operation on the string, for example, split, uppercase, lowercase, Go has a inbuilt helper class strings. Let us jump on VS Code. I have created a file string1.go. We are going to perform following operation. We are going to initialize a string. We are going to print string and string length. We are going to print string bytes. We are going to print string in uppercase. We will check if a string contains a substring or not. Let's start. We will initialize a string v equal to Vivek. Now we will print the string, so format.println v. We want to print the length of a string, so there is a function len which will print the length of a string. So format.println len v. Now we want to print the string bytes. For that we will use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than len v, I plus plus, and format.println vi. Let me write for I equal to 0. As we know, string is byte array, so we can print element of array with index. So for I equal to 0, I less than length of v, I plus plus, format.println vi. This will print byte array. If we want to represent it as a character, we can do using for loop. We will use printf function instead of println. We want in character format, so we will use %c. Run this file. Go run string1.go. First output is string, second is length. These 5 outputs are byte representation of that string. This is the character representation of that string. Now we are going to print a string in uppercase. So there is inbuilt class strings. First we will import the class. Sorry, it is not class, it is a library. Format.println strings. It will print a string in uppercase. We need to pass a string as an argument. We want to check if a string contains substring or not, so we will use contains function. We will give string and substring. We want a new line character after printf, so we will write format.println and a blank string. So it will provide as new line. We will save the file and run it again with same command, go run string1.go. So if you will see, it is printing in uppercase VIV Vivek content VIV true, Vivek content CVC false. So we have completed with this exercise. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.